In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task template in Asana in less than 5 minutes. This process will streamline your workflow by providing a consistent structure for tasks, ensuring that you and your team never miss a crucial detail. Let's start by navigating to the Asana website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Asana's URL. If you don't have it saved as a bookmark yet, simply search for Asana and click on the official site from the search results. Once the page loads, you'll see the login area on the screen. Now enter your email address in the email field. Make sure it's the email associated with your Asana account to ensure seamless access. After you've typed in your email, click on the continue button. This step will take you to the next page where you'll need to enter your password. Be precise while entering your password to avoid any login errors. Once entered, go ahead and click on the login button. You'll be directed to your Asana homepage, which acts as your control center for all ongoing projects and tasks. From here, let's move on to selecting a specific project where you want to create your task template. Browse through your list of active projects and click on the one that suits your needs. Next, look for the Customize option within your chosen project. Clicking on this will unfold various settings you can tweak. Here, locate the Add button, which will let you add a new component to your project. Among the options available, select Task Template. Now this is where you get creative. It's time to name your task template. Think about what the template will be used for and give it a name that clearly reflects its purpose. This name will help you and your team quickly identify and deploy the template for its intended use. After naming your template, click on Done. Congratulations, you've now created a task template. However, let's make sure everything is set up correctly. Go ahead and open the Task Templates menu within your project. Here, you'll see the task template you just created. This visual confirmation indicates that your template is ready for use. Now, whenever you or your teammates need to start a task with predefined fields and checklists, you can simply select this template, saving valuable time and effort. And there you have it, a task template in Asana, ready to enhance your productivity. Remember, templates not only save time, but also ensure consistency across your projects. Feel free to repeat the steps and create additional templates as your needs evolve. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.